Good morning, students. Today we'll study about reproductive health, and our today's topic is about infertility. The most expert define infertility as not being able to get pregnant after at least 1 year of trying. Women who are able to get pregnant but then have repeat miscarriages are also said to be infertile. Pregnancy is the result of complex chain of events. In order to get pregnant, a woman must release an egg from one of her ovaries, that is ovulation. The egg must go through a fallopian tube towards the uterus. A man's sperm must join with, that is fertilization, must fuse with the egg along the way. The fertilized egg must attach to the inside of the uterus, that implantation. If these are the things that is required to be get pregnant, then what is the assistant procedure technology? If that someone is not have able to be pregnant, then what they can do? Assistant reproductive technology is the term that describes several methods used to help infertile couples. That is, art involves removing eggs from a woman's body, mixing them with sperm in the laboratory, and putting the embryo back into the woman's body for further development. Assistant reproductive technology include IVFET, that is in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer, GIFT, that is gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, that is zygote intrafallopian transfer, IUI, intrauterine insemination, ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. These are the methods. IVF, it means fertilization outside the body. It is often used when a woman's fallopian tube are blocked or when a man produces too few sperm, means that sperm count is less in men. Then doctor treat the woman with a drug that causes the ovaries to produce multiple eggs. Once mature, the eggs are removed from the woman. They are put in a disc in the lab along with the man's sperm to fertilize. After 3 to 5 days, healthy embryo are implanted in the woman's uterus. Zygote intrafallopian transfer or a tubal embryo transfer is similar to IVF. Fertilization occurs in the laboratory. Then the very young embryo is transferred to the fallopian tube instead of uterus. Means that instead of transferring to the uterus, it is transferred to the fallopian tube. It involves transferring eggs and sperm into the woman's fallopian tube. So fertilization occurs in the woman's body. Means instead of fertilizing in the laboratory, it is fertilization take place in the woman's body only. So it is transferred into the fallopian tube. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. It is often used for a couple in which there are serious problems with the sperm. Sometimes it is also used for older couple or those with failed IVF attempts. In ICSI, a single sperm injected into a mature egg. Then the embryo is transferred to the uterus or the fallopian tube of the female. Art produced sometimes involves the use of donor egg from the another woman, donor sperm, or the previous frozen embryo. Donor eggs are sometimes used for women who cannot produce egg. Also, donor eggs or donor sperm is sometimes used when the woman or the man has a genetic disorder that can be passed on the baby. Then means that if a couple is suffering from genetic disorder, then they may get sperm from other person or that egg from another lady, so that this genetic disorder will not pass to the next baby, to the next generation. This is how that sperm and eggs are fertilized into the outside environment when taken from the ova ovum, and it is kept in the artificial. Now after that embryo, when developed into embryo, transferred into the uterus of the female. Thank you for today.